Hi, I'm Dana Ceccarelli, Technical Support Manager at Vermont Photo Inkjet. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to fill and refill our reusable cartridges for Epson desktop printer models. Okay, I got my workspace all set up. I have a syringe and needles for each ink position, a set of bottles, and a set of cartridges. Make sure to thoroughly read your instructions before beginning because there's a lot of important information in here. Before filling and refilling your cartridges, make sure to gently shake your ink bottles so that the pigment is in suspension. Okay, I'll start by removing the fill hole plug from the top of the cartridge. Remove the bottle top. And I've already made sure that my cartridge position and ink match. So I'm filling the cyan cartridge with cyan ink. Draw 15 milliliters of ink into the syringe using the blunt tip needle. And then I remove the blunt tip needle from the syringe. Put the tip of the syringe tightly into the fill hole of the cartridge and draw the syringe plunger up and release. See, the vacuum in the cartridge automatically sucks the ink in. I'll do it again until the cartridge is filled. And there. Slowly remove the syringe. Now replace the fill hole plug. I'm going to put the rest of the ink that I didn't use back into the bottle. Replace the bottle top. Now for the next ink positions, I'm going to use a clean syringe and a clean needle for each ink position so that there's no mixing. But the syringes and needles can be rinsed out with warm water and used for refilling the cartridges many times. So I'm just going to use the sink with water and filling the syringe with water and dumping it out. And then to clean the inside of the needle, you just push water through. Disconnect it from the syringe. Take apart the two pieces of the syringe so that they dry easily and place them to dry. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate refilling a cartridge. This I'm going to be using a 1900 printer model, and this specific printer has been previously used with a continuous ink system. So the cartridge carriage lid has been removed, but that doesn't affect the function of the cartridges. So I'm going to push the ink change button to move the cartridge carriage to the ink change position so I can remove the cartridge. Now I will be refilling the cyan position cartridge with Puisography ink shade 5. Make sure to refer to your instructions. The last page has a chart that specifies printer models and which Puisography ink shade to put into which color position of the printer model. This is a used and empty cartridge. I'll be refilling it. Remove the fill hole plug again. Now I get about 15 milliliters of ink into the syringe, just like when I'm filling the cartridge for the first time. Now I'm going to actually inject the ink into the cartridge very slowly by using the needle into the fill hole and just slowly. I can tap it to get the air bubbles to pop. Okay, that's pretty good. Put the rest of the ink back into the bottle. And then replace the fill hole plug. There's no need to use a chip resetter on our cartridges because they automatically reset in the printer. See you next time!